Hey guys, you can edit like this, like this, like this by using your photos in just one click. Go to Google and search XYAAEDITS website and click on this first website or the website link in the description. Click on first link, close the ads, and for this type of photo editing, copy this prompt. For this type, copy this. For this girl type, copy this. So now we are going to edit like this. Long tap, copy this prompt. If you can't download, copy the prompt, open this blog in Chrome browser. Now go to Google and search Gemini Google or Google Gemini. Click on first website, log into this, paste the prompt, click on plus icon and add the photo. Now run this prompt. After less than 1 minute, you will get the stylish photo editing and you can. So our photo is ready. Just long tap and download the photo, or else just click on download button on the right side.